Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Chairman ka Meghalaya Industrial Development Corporation James P.K. Sangma mentakasi kasitarik ujama arajar arpulai ulalik banyak kendu ka Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry Ïakren halor ke jinglong jingman ki Karkhana hapo ke jilla pat shikiwi pat ki jilla pat ki Jingeh balai kendu pat komno banias nok tilang hakaban rat dingkhong ki Jingeh ke FICCI kalau dan ya ke thong hakaban wat nia hagi benta jong ki than chute da mingi kontop ya ke jilla Meghalaya ban ailat hakaban pet ki kambu tingka ki bayaring kat ba ki jingdan kam jong ki jaka bapher haka jingi kendu lang lawan bani shimenta de ki nongkit kam ke FICCI ki ba kontop yo Director General Uchawla bat ki we James Sangma lo ong ba ke FICCI kala kedaw ya shibun ki Jingeh ki ba ke jilla kala ya kendu pat kini ki jing kedaw ki long ki ba kongsan hak bakin penyat syakmat hagi kam ki bayde ke jing penroy ki Karkhana hapo ke jilla.
So I'm here at Ficci and we just had a wonderful interaction with the Director General Mr. Chawla and his team, and as MIDC, that is the Meghalaya Industrial Development Corporation, we are looking at how we can engage in a manner which will be mutually beneficial to both Ficci and to our state. And in the course of the presentation, Ficci has spelled out many of the challenges that Meghalaya, from their perspective, is facing. And I think that these insights are very valuable to us as we take things forward in terms of industrial growth in our state. And I think that this is a great opportunity to work together and to share knowledge and to look at how we take the state of Meghalaya forward with this kind of engagement that we have with an industry body of such repute like Ficci.